everyone, Nat here, welcome to Nat Another Tech Channel, and in today's video I'm going to give you an overview of the GoPro Hero 9 Black. So, what's in the box? Well, before we take a look inside, I want to talk about the box itself. This year, GoPro have moved away from the Perspex plastic casing they usually opt for, and in place is this much more eco-friendly and simplistic cardboard sleeve. GoPro have been able to do this as they've now provided a case, which is a really nice feature of the Hero 9, as before you would have to buy this separately. So what do you actually get? The GoPro itself, 2 batteries, a 3M curved mount that you can stick to any surface, the magnetic swivel clip, you also get the floating hand grip, which is really handy when filming moving shots as it gives you extra stability. You also get a couple of mounts which have different heights on them, a USB to USB-C cable, a couple of thumb screws, a 32GB micro SD card, and the case to hold all of this inside. So for the bundle edition, this costs just under £380 in the UK and just under $400 in the US. And this price is based on also purchasing the GoPro subscription, which offers a massive discount for the device as well as the subscription too. I'll go into a little bit more detail about the subscription later in this video. On the front of the GoPro, it consists of a new front-facing LED screen, which is great for vlogging as this gives a live preview. It also has the internal front-facing microphone alongside the once again removable lens, great if anything bad happens to it as you can easily swap it out. GoPro have also made the new Max Lens mod, which boasts greater stabilisation and an 155-degree point of view. I'd love it in the future if it came with other mods such as a macro or a telephoto lens, but as this is an action cam, this is unlikely. The top contains the shutter button with a handy feature, which is that you can press it when the GoPro is in standby mode to easily record footage in a single press. When you've finished, you can press the shutter button once again and the GoPro will turn off and go back into sleep mode. On the back, the touchscreen display is just about large enough to easily view settings and preview your videos. The bottom has the usual GoPro folding fingers to easily connect the GoPro to the mounts. On one side is the power/mode button as well as the drain microphone. Just to note that this isn't a door, so don't try and open it. And on the other side, this is where the battery is housed, as well as the USB-C input and the SD card slot. So the setup is pretty easy once you've actually figured out how to open the battery door. Just pop the SD card in, slide in the battery, and you're ready to go. And another thing to note is that the batteries come with this handy little tab, which means that you can easily remove the batteries when you need to swap them out. To power the GoPro, simply press and hold the side button to turn it on. So there are some settings right out of the box to get you started, and you can easily switch between the 3 modes the GoPro has by tapping the power button to cycle through them. These are photo, time-lapse and video. The GoPro can shoot in a wide variety of resolutions and lens modes, including now up to 5K video recording, with 4 different fields of view, including super view, wide, linear and narrow. On the main screen, you can easily see the current settings, alongside up to 4 shortcuts that are customizable from the settings. To view the menu, simply swipe down from the top of the screen and swipe right to view the connection settings for the device as well as the device preferences. From the main screen, you can swipe up to play back any video that you've recorded, and you can natively delete them in the device without having to connect to a PC. So a little earlier I mentioned about the GoPro subscription, but what do you actually get? So the subscription offers 3 things. It offers unlimited cloud storage, up to 2 replacement devices per year, and up to 50% off accessories on GoPro.com. The cloud storage is useful as you can do things like uploading directly from the camera via Wi-Fi, although I haven't quite managed to get this to work yet as it often cuts out and the upload fails. The subscription also offers up to 2 replacement devices per year, including any damage, whether it's accidental or not. A few things to note: you do have to pay a one-off fee, which is $99 according to the website, but you can replace the camera, no questions asked. Unlike insurance, it doesn't cover you for loss or theft because you need to actually send the damaged GoPro back to them before you can receive the replacement. The third thing the subscription offers is up to 50% off accessories on the GoPro website. And the great thing about this is you can benefit from it when you are purchasing the GoPro without having the subscription. As long as the subscription's in your basket, if you buy any additional accessories, the discount will automatically be applied at checkout. So my first impressions of this device. Having never owned a GoPro before, the device is small, but it feels heavy and sturdy in the hand, and it doesn't feel cheap. The build quality is pretty nice, and the materials it's made from feel rugged and robust, which is exactly what you want from an action camera. The back touchscreen looks really nice. Its usability is a little bit difficult, and it's not particularly responsive. Sometimes it can be a little hard to use, and often you might find yourself accidentally pressing the wrong setting or having to press multiple times to open an option up. For video, the presets are great, and it's easy enough to set up out of the box to capture great video. Even if you're a bit of a novice, the standard settings look pretty decent. You can change lots of the options to really get the videos to look in your liking, which is great, but the only thing with GoPros is that the aperture is fixed at an f of 2.8. Footage-wise, for a camera this size, the video quality is superb, with now up to 5K resolution. You can also take excellent photos too. The Hero 9 now boasts a 20 megapixel camera, and if you use the wide angle lens, there is some slight fisheye with the photos, but this can easily be corrected in post. In conclusion, the new GoPro looks and feels great, and the footage is phenomenal for a camera of this price. It feels robust, and you don't feel like it's going to break if you chuck it in your bag and take it out on an adventure. Thanks so much for watching. If you've liked this video, please let me know down in the comments, and please consider subscribing to my channel.